Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are all doing great. In today's video we are diving into one of the most asked questions in Free Fire, and that is how to give perfect headshots. If you are tired of missing those crucial shots, stick around till the end of the video and I've got you covered on how to get headshots. First, go to your settings in your Free Fire app and adjust your sensitivity. Keep your general sensitivity high around 90 right here, so your crosshair moves quickly. For red dot and scope sensitivity, keep it a bit lower to control recoil better. Always keep your crosshair at the head level. Don't aim at the chest or leg. Predict where the enemy's head will be and keep your aim there before your enemy is in that location. This makes it much easier to land instant headshots. Use the drag method. So for that, I'll give you a quick guide. Swipe your aim slightly upwards while firing like this. This pulls your bullets toward the head instead of the body. Practice this in training mode until it feels natural. Use weapons that are great for headshots like M101 shotgun for close range or for the MP40 or UMP for mid range. For long range, nothing beats the M8 sniper. And that's it, guys. Start practicing these tips and you will be landing headshots left and right. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share with the squad. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.